Peoples, I have a confession to make. It's that... It's that...
Henry macaroni.
You are a... Where's that coming from? Yeah. Like I was saying, I have to say, well, it's not that simple. I need to say that there's that noise Where is that coming from? Okay, it's gone now. So, like I was saying, I need to confess that where is that noise coming from? Weird. Okay, so anyway. I'll just try and go over it. Okay, so anyway, what I meant to say is,
I'm running up a hill. I'm running up a hill.
What is that noise?
I'm running up a hill.
I think I'm going insane. You people are probably not hearing those weird noises. I don't know where they're coming from.
Untitled 100.
There it is again.
Untitled 100.
Untitled 100. People. So anyway, Untitled 100. Untitled 100. Untitled 100. Okay, that's getting kind of creepy. Untitled 100. Vroom. Yeah. Oh, good. They're gone again. So anyway, like I was saying, is I have a confession to make. I confess that.
Dart! Oh, you got it!
Driving me crazy.
Oh, you shot me!
No, I didn't.
That wasn't funny.
Anyway, I am here today to confess that I am.
Oh my God! Just hit it. Yeah.
Noises are
This has been another tale of epic.
Oh, you shut up!
Calm down. Take deep breaths. Now, I'm all calmed down. The noises are
Press it.
so.
Press it.
Wait, no. I don't even remember how those noises even went. So yeah. There they are again. Okay, I'll just ignore them. So, like I was, it's in my head.
And that is why.
Whoa, are you?